Okay, well, let's do a little quick walk around of the 420. Just 2013 Honda Rancher 420. I'm running 30-inch Maxxis Zillas, skinny wads, 9-inch wads in the front, and then 11-inch wads in the back. I love running skinny wads. The backs just pull so well. On 14-inch MSA M12 diesels, I think is what they're called. Got a 2-inch Highlifter lift kit. For the power to spin them as well as I do, I've got a HMF Performance Series slip-on and a HMF optimizer. Those are gold right there. Those going together, just, yeah, it's she's spinning everything nicely. So, and everything, these things spin in the thickest mud you can think of, pretty much. So that's great. Let's see what else. Got a UNI air filter, but I mean that's a little bit of a power drain, but not much. The main thing is just the optimizer and the HMF. Let's see. Got a worn, I mean not a worn, a KFI 3,000-pound winch in the front. That stopped working about a year ago, so yeah, thanks KFI. Did a great job, nice and dependable. Extreme snorkels. That's pretty much about it. I've done nothing to the motor, completely stock. So I mean, yeah, these tires are 25 pounds a piece for the 9-inch wads in the front, and then 30 pounds a piece for the 11-inch wads in the back. It's insane. It's the lightest 30 you can pretty much find. They don't look the best, but I mean, I don't know. I mean, they pull like perfect. I love how they pull. They pull great. People hate on them. People don't really like them because they don't look that good. But I mean, it's whatever. I'm not really a part of the look good, but I can only spin them in dirty water. You know what I mean? I'm not really a part of that crowd. I like being able to spin my tires and everything. So that's why I went with these, because how light they are. I'm not gonna go run some Outlaw 2s or, you know, all the other tires that look awesome, but you can't spin them when you get in thick mud. So yeah, if I put a gear reduction and everything in it, then I might go into some bigger tires, if you know what I mean, if I think something else will pull better. But I don't really think I'm gonna put a gear reduction in this though. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. It performs perfect the way it is. That's pretty much it. I mean, yeah, I love how light this bike is. It's very light. Oh my gosh, these tires float so well. It floats so well. It definitely floats over pretty much everything. If there's enough water or mud in a hole, it's going to be floating for sure. And I mean, I like that. Some people don't like that, but I like it because I can stay over those huge ruts and holes that, for example, that General in my like 2 videos ago, I think it was, there's a Polaris General that was massive. It had 40s on it, and it couldn't go through a hole. And then this, you know, the old 420 with 30s goes through it, but I was floating the entire way. So that's just the difference maker. Got a light bar on it also, because me and my girlfriend about died one night because we didn't have a light bar. We had these outstandingly bright stock headlights on. They are outstandingly bright. I'm just kidding. They're god awful. They are not bright like whatsoever. So yeah, pretty much it. Yeah, don't forget to go and watch all the videos, the Honda versus Can-Am, and the General video. That video did great. It's at like it's like 1.2K almost, I think. Or I think it might be at 1.2K already. I know that's only been out for like 2 or 3 weeks now, so that video's doing really well. So yeah, I don't really think I'm gonna do much this bike. I love how it is. I've been looking at some other tires just to try, like just because, like the sole purpose of just trying them out because they're new on the market. They're cheap right now, and I might get a lot of views trying them out. So I'm thinking about it. They're a lot heavier than these tires. They're 40 pounds a piece, which isn't too bad. So I might just try them out just to see how they do, just for video purposes. But if I was just riding and not videoing or anything like that, then I would just keep these tires. These tires pull perfectly fine. Yeah, they're like 1 inch and like 3/4, I think, lugs. I'm pretty sure. If they had a 32 in these tires, they would be, yeah, I would for sure get them, for sure. They're so light and soft. They grab so well. So I mean, I creep through pretty much everything. I'm just one of those people that if you don't need to spin in a hole, then just don't spin. Just let them bite. These bite really well and they grab. They're so soft. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Let me know what y'all want to see, and don't forget to go and watch all my videos, and subscribe for sure. We've been doing well. The channel's been doing really well, and just let me know what y'all want to see, and I'll do it. So thank y'all.